currently earn around $200,000 a year before taxes or around $160,000 after. That's the average annual income of a doctor or a lawyer. But guess what? I'm not either of those things. In fact, I don't even have my bachelor's degree. So you're probably wondering what exactly my job is. Well, I don't exactly have a job, at least not in the typical sense. Also, I don't have a big real estate portfolio or own some crazy startup. I mean, I'm working on those things, but they're not paying me yet. Now, there are plenty of jobs that you can find that pay pretty well, and there are certainly many different sorts of businesses that you can start that could earn you a lot of money. But my favorite way to make money, and the way that I currently earn a living, is with an information business. A business that sells information. Some people call these businesses education companies or content marketing businesses, but all those words pretty much mean the same thing. A business that sells information. So what exactly does that mean? Well, it's a business that sells things like books or ebooks or courses or videos, all different types of information that help to educate people. In my personal case, I sell books, ebooks, and courses that teach people how to start profitable online businesses, blogs, and YouTube channels. But people start information businesses about all sorts of different topics. Hand lettering, yard maintenance, cooking, crafting, hairstyling, pretty much you name it, you can start an information business about it. So, why is this my favorite way to make money? Well, there are a lot of reasons, but I'm just gonna tell you 3 of my top ones. Okay, so first of all, this is such a flexible way to make money. I can make content to sell one month, and then the next month I can work on advertising it, and then the month after that, I can take the whole month off if I want to, and keep making sales from the product that I've already created. This means that I can work whenever I want, and I can take time off whenever I want. Sure, I still have to do the work, but it's so flexible in terms of when I do the work and where, because I can create content wherever I am. Anywhere in the world, I can film a video or write an ebook, and then I can sell that from my computer. Second, there is no limit on how much money this business can make, because unlike if I was selling some physical good like mugs or t-shirts, where I have to invest money in order to buy inventory, with a business like this, after I've created the product and I have my system set up, I don't have to invest a penny more, even if I sell 1 million units. Okay, third and finally, an info business allows you to actually make a living doing something that you're really passionate about. Now, I know that this sounds cliche, but hear me out. So often people say that you should do something that you love or do something that you're passionate about. But the fact is that it can be really hard to make a living doing woodworking or doing a cooking or as a fiction writer or an artist. I mean, you have to sell a lot of art to be able to support yourself. And it's tough to stand out as an author. And how would you get a job as a chef? But an info business makes it actually possible to profit from your passion. Why is that? Well, you have something that you love doing, right? It's something that you're good at because you love it, so you've practiced it. And if you're not already great at it, you're willing to get great at it because it's something that you really enjoy. And if you love it, there's probably other people out there who love it too. And those people will be excited to pay you to have them teach them how to do that thing that they're so passionate about too. Even if there's 1 million artists out there and you're just one of that million and nobody's willing to pay that much for your art, there are still plenty of people out there who would be excited to learn how to be an artist themselves and would want to pay you to teach them. So why not take what you know, write it down, and share it with those people? They would be so thankful for your help, and you would get to spend your time doing and thinking and talking about something that you love doing. And that's really a 4th reason why an info business is so cool, because you're not just making a living doing something you love, you also are helping so many people in the process. So how do I make $200,000 a year without a degree? Well, it's really not all that complicated. First, I learned a lot about something that I was really interested in. As I was learning, I shared on social media about my journey, about what I was learning, and in doing so, I attracted a whole audience of people who were interested in that very thing. Then I made digital products, ebooks, courses, to teach people everything I'd learned. Now, I sell those products on my website to thousands of people every single year. So if this sounds interesting to you and you want to learn what it takes to start your own info business, then check the description box down below because I have a free guide that will help you out. It's my Info Business Quick Start Guide, and it will walk you through the entire process, step by step, every single thing you need to do in order to start your own information business. Like I said, the guide is completely free, so make sure you click down below and grab your copy now. Of course, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then make sure you do that, because I make new videos every single week about entrepreneurship and success, and I would love to have you join me for the next one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button to let me know and to help more people people find this video. I hope you have an amazing rest of your week, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.